proxy password. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. Each account needs to be entered on one line. Click to save, and on the database manager box, click on convert, select import CSV, click on this icon, double click on the created text file of email accounts. You can see the email accounts has been imported here. The default name of group is CSV. If you want to change it, click on this icon, then type the group name here. For example, I will enter direct account 2. Click OK. Then you close this dialog box. At email account section, you select the group of accounts that you want to run. Next, IMAP server and IMAP port. You need to enter the IMAP server and IMAP port of the type of email that you import to register with accounts. For example, I import Gmail accounts. Now I will search for IMAP server and IMAP port on Google. Then you can see the information here. This is the IMAP server, and this is the IMAP port of Gmail. Paste it into IMAP server here, then the IMAP port here. Next, username session. The bot will use the username you set up in this session to create a Thread account. You can leave this session as the default. The bot will create username or Thread account randomly. To see the default username, you click on this icon. Then click on Edge Test. These are the default username that the bot will use randomly to create Thread accounts. To customize the username, you click on this icon too. Then you will enter the username that you want to use here. You can use the spin text format. Then you click on Edge Test to see the username that you set up. Similarly, you will set up password, first name and last name session, or you can leave these sessions at the default. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Through Browser to see how the bot creates web accounts automatically. After creating an account successfully, you click on this icon later, and then you will see the username and password of the Twitter accounts will be updated automatically here. The bot will fill them into register column 2. To export this result, you will click on Convert, select Export CSV or Export SLS. Then you click on this icon. Select the text that you want to save the file. Then enter the file name here. Then click Save. Then click OK. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to use our Twitch account creator to create bunch Twitch accounts automatically. You can visit qandabot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.